I have yet again another Temu haul. This one is stuff I bought, and I think it's a lot of pet stuff. It was the little shirts for the Chihuahua, and I think there's a carrier in here too. I think we shall see what I got in here. Okay. Oh yes, this is very nice. Super. I'll have her try on some of these. Shouldn't be so. I don't know. This looks kind of. She's very small. She's like 2 pounds. So we will see if these fit her. These are small. She might have rated extra small. Very nice. Kind of designery and nice. This looks like it would be easy to get on because of these armhole things. She actually likes having clothes on. Chihuahuas are funny. Here's another one. The Boss. Let's see. Oh, this one's nice. I don't know. This might be a little big on her. I don't know. We might have to return these. You know, I measured her. They're supposed to measure around that way, but I don't know. She's pretty teeny. Oh, this one's super cute. Look at that chick with the hat on. That's scissors here. These were so inexpensive, like $1 or something. Oh, this one's really cute. Sort of a summery number. See, it's got very nice. This will be nice on her too. Okay. This one. Oh, this is good. She really isn't barky for a Chihuahua. She's pretty sedate, actually. Which is nice because the Shih Tzu is not. So she's just backup security. This seems awfully big for her. I don't know. We'll try. That one looks very big. So we could expect a big dog to be security. Oh, this is the cologne I got for baby retros. Let's see. It's supposed to be like Chanel Chance. So we shall see. Let's see. I don't remember if I can remember. Ooh. Let's see. That smells that smells pretty good. Once it dries off, yeah, that's pretty good. So that baby retros is gonna get that. A lot of nice bags here, but I reuse these. I use them for packing. This is a carrier for Lay Chihuahua. She loves being carried around. Held and carried around. I think it's what that breed was bred to do. Be baby, talk to, carried around. This is kind of nice. Oh, wow. It's camo, you know, because she's kind of tough, you know. Let's see. It's not bad. It's got a zipper. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's got a little pad in there. Oh, this is kind of nice. Oh, very nice. Yes. Okay. I will go grab the Chihuahua. I'll be right back. I also got these little tiny itty bitty earrings that kind of have a little bit of a, I don't know what that is. Is it Louis Vuitton or I'm not sure, but they're very cute. They're sort of shaped like rabbits. So I got those too. So I'll be right back. Okay, here we are, the Boss. Got the camera angle a little bit better here. I think I like the pink one better. She's just thrilled. This is a little big, so I don't know. I don't think this is a good fit for her. We'll try another one. Okay, the security one is better. I don't know, the Boss one Oops, sorry. That's not too bad. So, I think we're okay on this one. Be right back. Okay, I think this one's my favorite. It's this one that just says, girl. Come on, baby. Here we go. Here you go. You like it? She likes it too. Yes, this one fits pretty good. I don't know, I think I might try an extra small for her sometime too. But I think we like this one the best, don't we? So, we got our carrier, we got our shirt, we got our fake Chanel. We're good, girl. I'll be right back. This one's pretty nice. I think I like this one. Here we go. Yeah, you like it? Yeah, that's pretty good. So I think that's a winner. It's just the Boss one seems baggy, so I might return that one. So that's all we have for today, I think. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.